In this video, we are going to find the solutions to a couple of consecutive number problems. Here's the first problem. What is the smallest of three consecutive even numbers that total 492? So the way we can think about this is that we have one number, another number, and a third number. It tells us that they're all even and consecutive and that they must total 492. I think the best way to solve this kind of problem is to first find the average. When there's three numbers, the average number will be the middle number. So 492 divided by three numbers will give us the average, which is 164. Now we can fill in our middle number, 164. Two numbers more than that will be the next even number, 166. And two numbers less than that will be the first middle number, or the first number. And in this case, they were asking for the smallest of the three. And there it is, 162 would be the answer to this question. Now this works perfectly when there are an odd number of integers that we're looking for the solution for. When there is an even number, it's a slightly different solution. So let's take a look at that. Find two consecutive odd numbers that total 104. The primary thing that's different about this is how we will use the average. So we have one number plus another number equals 104. Let's once again do the average. 104, in this case divided by 2, gives us an answer of 52. But we want odd numbers. So we're going to go one number either way from 52. 51 on the low side, 53 on the high side. Those are the two numbers that we need. The one before our average and the one after our average. So 51 and 53. And that would actually be the answer to this question because they wanted the two consecutive odd numbers. 51 and 53 add up to 104. They're both odd and they are consecutive. So let's take a look at a practice problem. There are two very similar practice problems. The first one's the smallest of three consecutive numbers that total 246. And the second, two consecutive odd numbers that total 244. So go ahead and pause the video right now and work on these problems, and then you can continue the video when you're ready to see the answers. The answers are 80 for the first problem, and 121 and 123 for the second problem. Hopefully you got those right. If not, take another look at the video and try again.